So let's perform a code backup and recovery. So first thing we need to do is we need to create a code backup. So before you do that, you need to shut down your services. So let me go back in here and we'll go to My Computer, Manage, and let's go to Services and Applications, Services, and let's just open this up. So you need to stop the Retailpro related services. So we'll start with TNS Listener, then RPro ODS, and finally we'll stop the Retailpro license server. Great. So we're done. So now let's copy over the appropriate folder. So it's here under Oracle, RPro Data, RPro ODS. So you need to copy this folder. Okay, this RPro ODS folder. So we'll just copy it here, and let's just put it on the desktop for now, just for demonstration purposes. Okay. This could take a while. Okay, so it looks like it's done. Now, before we do a recovery from this code backup, let's actually go into Retailpro and make some changes. So before we can do that, we need to access our services once again and just start them back up. So here's under Services. So we'll start with TNS Listener, RPro ODS, and Retailpro licensing. So there it is. Okay, great. So let's launch Retailpro. Okay, so we'll log in. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a quick transaction. New. Let me list an item. Or tender. Cash. And update. Okay, so we have a receipt. Here's a receipt, receipt number 81. Okay, so remember that number. So let's go ahead and shut down Retailpro, and we will stop our services. Okay, so again, the three services: TNS Listener, RPro ODS, and licensing. Great. So now, let me open up Windows Explorer. So we'll open up the Oracle folder or Data RPro ODS. So basically, here's my copy. So I'll copy everything back over to RPro ODS with the exception of the archive. Okay. You don't need to copy over the archive, so let me just copy this over. We'll just override everything. Okay, so it looks like we are done. So let me close that. And I'll close this window as well. And we need to reboot. Actually, before we do so, let's go to Tech Toolkit. Let me launch Windows Explorer. And we need to rebuild the password file. So log on, sysadmin. Okay, and so from here we'll select password and we'll rebuild the password file. Okay. Okay, so we're done. So let's shut down Tech Toolkit and we'll reboot the system. Okay, so it looks like we're done rebooting. Let's start Retailpro. We'll log on. Okay, so it looks like we're in. Let's go sales receipts and make sure that last receipt is no longer here. Perfect. Receipt number 81 is no longer here, so our recovery was successful.